Jungle Queen nga.
Wait.
Jungle Nar?
Jungle Nar.
Nako.
Okay, that's something I don't
Bago
see.
yan, pare. Bihira ka makakita na. Uy,
There you go.
hindi. Kalma
Tama nga
mo
ako,
lang.
Jungle Queen nga.
Easy lang. Yung Jungle Queen na yan, sobrang makaka-roam around yan. Kasi ano yan eh, yung SS niya, di ba? Yung bago, yung libre movement speed.
Exactly.
Nako.
Alright.
Tatawagin niya si Valor. Valor! Tara na! Ganun
Yeah.
yan.
And kung bakit nga pala, I think kung bakit hindi sinasakyan ni Quinn si Valor is
Bakit?
because meron kasing pride si Valor. Kaya
Oo.
gusto niyang binubuhat na lang si Quinn kaysa sa sinasakyan siya.
Oo,
diba?
tsaka mas maangas tingnan yun
Oo
pag
naman,
binubuhat ka
syempre.
na malaking ibon. Kesa nakasakay ka, di ba? Oh. Eto na. Pero sa di mo sa top dito, si Nar versus ano ba talaga? Hindi ko ma-pronounce yan.
Ilawi na lang.
Ilawi.
Kung ako sa
Nakakapagpabagabag.
Sa'yo naman, Ilawi.
Ilawi. Okay? Si
Yeah.
Ilawi, si Octopus Lord versus kay Nargada!
Yes, but looking into it right now, habang naka-Mega Nar form pa si Nar, if he can, dodge out those tests of spirit, he can technically harass Ilawi for free damage. Kasi Nar has that, silver bolts-esque mechanic, which is his hyper.
Yung hyper, yung second skill niya.
Mm.
Yung wallop pag
Yeah. But the problem dito for Nar is when he gets into that Mega Nar form, he is susceptible to Ilawi just putting a lot of damage into him. Kasi, and then Ilawi, being to regen that because, again, yung tentacle smash ni Ilawi does allow you to, regen that HP that you lost in that trade-off.
Depende yan kung mapapula niya yung Ilawi bago siya mag-Nargada. Tingnan natin kung sinong dito. Pero napakagandang nito dalawang jungle na may possibility mag-roam around. Kasi Rek'Sai, di ba? Map control din yan.
Exactly.
Tinapatan nila ng Queen na roam around kasama si Valor.
And you have to know, lahat ng champions ng Mad Bros can activate the ultimate of Yasuo. I think except for, not sure about the Condemn, but I think kasama din yun.
Hindi, yung Condemn feeling ko pasok eh. Feeling ko yung sa third skill ni Queen. Hindi ko sure kung pasok.
Alam ko pasok yun eh.
Yung third skill ni Queen.
Yeah.
Siguro dapat mukhang fast hands lang dapat yung Yasuo dito. Parang pag nakita niya na Condemn, agad!
Yeah.
Tinan natin. Pero, natin. Chill feel tayo dyan.
Ano nga ni GS Rico? Pagka knock-up, R agad.
Oo, knock-up, R agad. Kung Yasuo ka, R agad. Kahit wala ka damage, R agad. Kasi, ang ganda tingnan pag nag-R ka, pak, sa area. Chill lang. Easy dog.
Last breath of that Yasuo.
Last breath
na
Yasuo.
But you have to note though, the early game power is gonna come out of Legacy because of that Rek'Sai just being, super strong in the ganks. Tapos ang dami niyang follow-up in any lanes actually. Especially initiator na siya as a jungler. When you go in for that mid lane, follow up with the light binding of the Lux and just, you can just force either a flash or a kill. And as for the top lane, looking into it, Nar's a pretty safe top laner naman. You have the hop.
May hop yan eh.
Yeah. Bottom lane wise, if the Alistar can go in for that headbutt pulverize combo, it is pretty potent. Ang problema mo lang ngayon is that, well, syempre, we're a few patches in, like, I don't know how many patches already, but yung headbutt pulverize combo ni Alistar is a little bit slower because yung kanyang headbutt animation is
pinabagal
na onte.
Ay naku, pinabagal ang headbutt.
Yeah, but still,
pero
mas madali siyang kung hindi ka ganun mag-press na QE na ganun. Sorry. Yeah, WQ pala. Yeah, kasi ganun dati yun eh. But now it's like tug ganun. Alright guys, so what time is it na ba?
Time check tayo.
10:37 p.m. ladies and gentlemen.
p.m. sa ating orasan.
Yeah, this is the second game again in the Mineski Pro Gaming League Season 7. This is second game between Team Legacy and Mad Pro. So kamusta na kayo guys dyan? Meron ba kayong pasok bukas or baka maaga ang bakasyon nyo if ever man? Nag-enjoy na pa kayo?
Wala yan. Manunood sila kasi ito ay oras na MPGL Season 7 League of Legends.
Yeah, Season 7. Alright, so let's check out the chat first and shout out to our compadres there who are watching the stream. Alright,
okay, so shoutouts muna tayo.
Alright, so pansinin nyo ako. Hello, K Mahal.
Hello, K Mahal. Hi.
Hello.
GG daw yan sa Ilaoy, sabi ni Rexedge. Rexedge ba?
Yeah, so looking into it, yeah, kasi mas malakas ang bully potential ni Illaoy because against the Gnar. But then, like I said again,
Tingnan natin, may
there
hap
is,
yan eh.
yeah, there is the rage advantage for the Gnar. But then when he goes into that Mega Gnar form, unless the Gnar is just willing to trade with the Illaoy, he's not gonna be able to win that. But again, it's all about that player skill that will determine kung sino mas malakas sa top laners ito.
Feeling ko ang interested ako makita dito si Queen talaga, paring Asoray. Si Queen
Yes.
talaga. Yung kung paano siya mag-roaming around kasama ang kanyang munting ibon. Tingnan natin.
Yes, true.
Pero
that.
itong laban sa baba, no, yung Lucian Brom tapos Alistar Bane, medyo feeling ko paunahan lang yan eh. Kung sino, kumbaga, hintayan cooldowns tapos paunahan makapag-A-click. Yun eh.
Alright guys, may kasabi ngayon na kailangan kong medyo yeah, again, nagkaroon lang tayo dun ng a little bit of may sinabi sa akin ng ating our background artist.
Eto na! Parang Asoray, eto na!
Alright guys, so we're now into the Summoner's Rift. This is game 2 between Team Legacy and Matt Bros. So in the blue side, in the top lane, we have Hope for KR playing the Illaoy. In the jungle, it's gonna be KO Cook. On that Rek'Sai, in the mid lane, it's gonna be Luke KR with the Lux. And in the bottom lane duo for the ADR, we have Sadist on that Lucian, and his support will be Football, 10 pesos lang with the Braum.
Para naman sa Mad Bros, top lane, Surulab, may 800D na si Nargala, si Black Asian Guy bilang mid na si Yasuo pala, at si Encore bilang si Vayne, si Enborn bilang ang jungle na ang kaninang Robin Padilla, at si Zerxus na si Alistar for support.
Alright, so it looks like there's gonna be a little bit of tussle in that bottom lane. Encore taking a little bit of damage, but still, it's his K. Okay naman siya, hindi naman siya nasakta masyado. Kaya natin dyan, no? Diba guys, mga single dyan na hindi inaano ng crush natin.
Hindi. Easy dog lang, magpapasko na
yun. Nung initial damage na yun kay Core.
Nagpapakitaan sila dito ng mga mastery emblems, pare ko eh. Mukhang nagyayabangan dito.
Papakita na sila ng kung sino talaga yung ginagamit nila.
Ginagamit ko to.
Sa solo queue. Oh, dance here, may pasok bukas, pero nanonood pa rin. So, yun talaga, yan ang commitment na meron sila.
Kung habang nanonood ka, share mo na din yung stream, pare ko, sa mga friendships mo. Tapos manood kayo, i-reviews nyo yung mga laro. Ayan na.
Yes, exactly. So, it looks like that, whoa, look at this. Hope KR here gonna go in for an instant Raptor take. So, makaka-level 2 agad siya. Oh, wait, may kumuha ng XP.
May kumuha ba? Ng XP nun?
Wait,
hindi ko nakita.
I think kinuha ni Lux yung XP niya.
Oo, sa E, no?
Yes.
Baka tactics din ng Lux yun para pag siguro mga 3 creeps, level 2 na siya kagad.
I don't think that's what they wanted to do though. Kasi looking into it, Illaoy would want to bully out the Gnar with that XP advantage in that top lane. Though, yeah, kasi ang problema nila siguro with that kind of play is that kung kailangan mo mag-TP earlier than you need to, yung teleport itself does not cool down faster when you teleport to the turret. So 5 minutes talaga siya all throughout. And looking into it, Hope for KR is looking to just bully out the Gnar in the top lane. He doesn't care about his other lanes for now. So we'll see what happens.
Ito na.
Right, so it just looks like it's gonna be slow but steady. May isang auto-attack dito, may isang auto-attack doon, but nothing too aggressive. We don't see
kalmahan lang.
Yeah,
yan sabi ko kanina eh. Ma-action niya laban sa baba. Interesting yan. Dalawang malaki yan eh. Kumbaga si si Tank Top Tiger yan, mga kaibigan. Yung nasa baba. Kung nanonood kayo ng One Punch Man, makikita nyo ngayon si Tank Top Tiger na nasa baba. Si Football, 10 pesos lang. Tank Top Tiger! Isiya mo yan. Uy!
Yeah.
Yasuo.
Alright, looking into the mid lane, of course Yasuo will be able to bully out that Lux, especially when he can just dash over those creeps and dodge all of the skill shots of the
Ayan
Lux.
na.
Look at that damage output.
Tornado Gaming to
Yeah,
si
Luke
Yasuo.
has to be careful because
Makati pa
Black
rin.
guy has an
Oh.
ignite. He can easily kill that Lux.
Pero ito, namumula dito ang baba mga kaibigan. Si Tang Top Tiger! Yun ang tawag ko dyan kay Yasuo. Si Tang Top Tiger! Na merong Project Lose. Ito na. Na spirit ano na dito si Nar. Pero mukhang magna-Nar up siya dito. Pero hindi. Hindi nagpapahampas lang yung spirito. Nagpapahampas yung spirito ni Nar mga kaibigan. Chill, Bill. Easy dog.
And we do see here that medyo na-curse na dito si Nar in that top lane. So he'll randomly spawn those.
O, ito na. Ito na yung sinasabi natin. Yung ma-action si Enboy. Kanina pa ma-action yan eh. Flashy yan, kumbaga tinatawag.
So,
Ito, nastan dito si Black Asian guy.
So ito yung sinasabi ko dun sa top lane. When that Nar goes into that Mega Nar form, malulugi talaga siya sa Illaoi. And then when he's in that Mini Nar form, medyo may ano siya, may fair fight siya against that Illaoi. Look at that.
Oh.
Even though naharasa siya for that much,
Oh.
he can still get that CS.
Pero kaya niya
He
rin.
still has that Telegram closer. So,
Oh,
medyo
correct.
in a world of hurt talaga in this Nar.
Kaya niya rin normalin yan. Pero itong Yasuo na to, na si Black Asian guy, mukhang maasim eh, no? Pero ito na, Enborn! Ito na naman, Action Star! Robin Padilla tayo mga kaibigan! Normally mo yan! Normally mo yan, si Hope for KR!
Oh,
pero
no.
hindi, medyo polado si Nar dito, pero nahuli si Enborn. Mukhang mabibessel siya dito, at na-vessel nga, pero magbabak ata dito si Nar at si Queen.
That
Dahil
was
na-vessel dito si Enborn.
napaka-weird na gamit coming in from
Pero kasi polado siya eh. Pero ito, si Kyokuk, nice first blood mula sa Legacy. At nakabawi sila dito sa gank. Kasi kanina pa advance yan si,
si Black Asian guy.
Black Asian guy.
Yeah,
yun.
but ang problem dito sa top lane was that was a really weird gank there from board. Granted though na pwede din yun, that presence in that top lane was just to relieve the pressure for Sorrow My Love, but he took so much unnecessary damage. And anong nangyari na damage na ginawa nila kay Hope for KR, he actually regen it with that 2-hit tentacle smash
Oo.
on those two champions. So, I don't know, it wasn't worth it in my opinion.
May lifesteal kasi yun, di ba?
Oh,
Yung
he could've
first
just
skill niya.
shown himself in that top lane, force KR, Hope for KR to back off, and then just leave. And then he could have opened up, earlier ganks for that mid lane. Kasi na-bully nila si Black Asian guy. They could have gone for an outplay there, but a little bit of a miss rotation coming in from the Matro side. Alright, so looking into it right now, nag-iintay lang tayo na magkaroon ulit ng gank coming in from the Rek'Sai in that top lane. He does have the Raptor active, so
Oo,
he does
pag
know
nakagank
when
siya
there-
dito,
when
lamang
there's
na
a
lamang
ward
na siya.
here. Yeah, so hindi siya masyado nag-worry. He's gonna go into that Tribrush side and possibly catch off Sorrow My Love. But Sorrow does have his flash, though he did have to teleport back into this lane. So, pag na-force nila dito si Sorrow in that top lane, look at this, they're ganking him right now.
Ayan na mga kaibigan.
Mega Nar
Si
for
Nar,
the
magme-Mega Nar na. Ito na. Oops. Easy lang.
Alright, so that's actually kind of nice here for Sorrow. Didn't have to use that flash, but the problem with that is he might be forced to fall early and then just allow Hope KR to keep himself, ahead in the
Oo,
PS.
pero
and
ito,
lane
ayan
advantage.
Bawi-bawi lang dito sa baba eh. Kumbaga, kung chinachani sila dito ni na Tank Top Tiger, may heal naman dito si Tank Top Cow. Si Tank Top Cow.
Yeah.
May heal naman siya dito. Kaya tinan natin.
So we're seeing here right now though,
Medyo tablado pa kahit nakakit sa mid.
we're gonna see some action here when we get into that level 6
Oo.
for Black Asian guy because he can, go to the sidelines and set up so much for his teammates.
Yapi dog.
Yeah, exactly.
Ayan. Yun yung sinasabi mo kanina, yung wallop ni Nar. Eh, medyo makati din yan. Kahit sabihin natin walang damage yan si Nar.
Yeah, pero
Makatihan, pare ko eh.
kahit ilang beses nang nalulugi si Sorrow in terms of the trading and the gank coming in from Kyo, he has maintained his composure in the top lane, didn't take that much harass, as well as stabilizing yung CS advantage na meron si
Oo, correct.
for KR. So in terms of that laning phase, okay lang pa rin si Nar. But looking into it though, wala po siya nung nagagawa dito si Born. I think they would want to go for something when
Oo nga.
these players go hit that
Eh,
level
medyo
6.
farm game lang muna eh. Nag-aabang lang yan ng skill. Kung kailan siya magsi-6, kung kailan... Ayan o. Tignan mo, yan sinasabi ko. Heal. O yan. Yun na. Uy, gandang
Yeah.
tulak
And
niya.
the only reason why Encore as well as Xerxes are okay in this top lane is because they can trade, and yeah, you said it
Oh.
already. Xerxes has that triumphant roar to at least, give the heal to Encore. But the problem is that's not enough heal like a Soraka to be able to trade effectively.
Oo. Pero,
And, yeah.
tamang farm lang muna. CS tayo dito.
Yeah, but the CS advantage
Oh,
is in favor.
medyo lamang
of
ang
Salis.
Lucian.
Yeah, almost 1,000
Oh.
gold beat just from the CS and the one kill. in
Dahil
that
yan sa
mid
kill
lane.
medyo hindi na masyado nag-aasim-asim dito si
Black Asian
Black
guy.
Asian kasi alam niyang nag-level up na yung yung Lux, kaya niya siyang chani-chaniin. At melee pa naman yan, kahit sabi mo may dash-dash yan.
Exactly. When he goes in too deep, pag
Kaya isa na lang,
yeah,
masastan na.
pag binding siya ng Lux, immediate follow-up by the Rek'Sai, it's just gonna be too much for Black Asian guy to do because Yasuo's pretty snowball, reliant. Yes, you can set up that last breath for him, but if he doesn't have any items to follow that up, makukulangan ng damage output for that last breath to actually matter when you use it.
Uy.
Medyo na-dodge
Pero
siya.
medyo madali iwasan yun kasi mabagal. Yung mga skills ni Ilawi, mabagal yan eh. At yung Nar, kapag kapag nakatatlong stacks yan nung second skill niya, may movement speed yan. So feeling ko medyo advantage din yung Nar ko.
wow.
Kaso hindi, nala-lifesteal din siya no?
Exactly. Well, Sor here has been missing his... Oh, wait. They're
Oh,
gonna
ito
go
na,
in
yung
on
mid,
to
si Black Asian guy. Siha mo lang. Ako, ang dami ng salbabida. Salbabida gaming.
Pala, just a little trivia din. Yung hindi mo nakikita yung party Rek'Sai, his ultimate, or rather, her ultimate, is that sasakay siya ng isang jet ski, tapos mag-jet ski siya papunta dun sa salbabida na yun.
Ayos!
May sound effects pa.
Ayos. Babae pala si Rek'Sai.
Queen of the Zersai, pare.
Ngayon ko lang nalaman. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, paring Asoray.
Yeah.
Babae
sorry,
pala
man.
yan.
Madami, syempre hindi mo mahalata kasi hindi talaga siya humanoid character.
Hindi siya humanoid, pero babae pala siya.
Animalist. Kagaya nga na sinasabi dati,
Ito na.
armored ipis
Ayan
daw.
na yung sinasabi ko, si Valor, mga kaibigan. Habol to, mga kaibigan. Iin, mga kaibigan. Normalin mo yan. Napakagandang gang dahil yan sa
Organized
movement
gangs are coming in from Born using that tag team ultimate from the Valor's movement speed boost, just giving him so much, explosiveness in those clashes. Behind enemy lines, that's the new name for the Valor ultimate, the Quinn ultimate rather. This though, Black Asian guy taking quite a bit of damage from Luke KR. Wala pa siyang kinuhang ultimate. Look at that, Endborn!
Oh,
The damage
ito
on
yung
Luke
Endborn.
KR.
Ito kanina pa to si
Rek'Sai
Rek'Sai,
though.
Pero yung
Zero
Rek'Sai,
follow-up.
papasok dito, nag-jetski
Rushes.
na ang Rek'Sai, mga
Nice
kaibigan.
OKR.
Pero ito, windwall mula sa Black Asian guy. Nice
little
windwall.
Tempest. Nice little Tempest.
Napakandang windwall, pero ito may nagtitipi dito. At kinancel yung TP, pero hindi! Nag-miss Q ata! Nag-miss! Hop!
Gonna go in for
Uy,
that spirit
munti ka na.
activates the vessel. And looking into it, nobody
Muntikan na yung
Muntikan na. Yeah.
Buti na lang na wind walls.
Yeah, as well as yung nung mag-leap na si Illaoi onto that Quinn, na knock up siya ng Steel Tempest ni Black Asian guys.
Oo, ni
nicely
Aso.
done. Good
Buti na
timing.
lang. Buti na lang kamo.
Exactly. Yeah.
Isiha mo lang yan.
Kanyang horse lesson. Kasi yung leap talaga ni Illaoi is her ultimate, the leap of faith.
Oo nga. Wow!
Yeah,
The
kailangan
leap.
niyo yun ng leap of faith talaga. Pag alam niyo na
Ooh.
we're gonna go into a relationship.
Wow! Biglang hugot doon.
Huhugot muna tayo ng
Para mga kaibigan,
Kasi
para lang...
hindi to cast Astray pag walang kahit
Hugot,
konting
Huwag kang mag-alala, re-regaluhan kita ng extension cord, pare. Sa Pasko. Para hugot. Isiha mo yan.
Cord.
Oo. Extension cord tayo.
Alright. So looking into it though, may NCS advantage dito si Sadis as well against Encore.
Pero
but
Mitch
rapid fire
tabla-tabla.
cannon si Encore.
Tabla-tabla pa kahit papano. Laking sustain din kasi ng heal niyan eh. Kahit sabi mo paunti-unti yan. Kahit paunti-unti yan, heal pa rin yan. Seconds pa rin yan ang binibilang dyan sa HP mo.
Yes. And mas maaga natapos ni Encore ang kanyang item because rapid fire cannon is much more cheaper than Essence Reaver. So medyo may item spike na noon to si Encore in
Encore.
that bottom lane. And he also has that extra range
Para kay Vayne.
Yeah, may initial shot siya if ever that they're looking for that trade-off na kailangan mo nila.
Gandang combo niyan. Pagka-tumble mo, no? Habol na habol yan. Dahil sa, rapid fire. Pero ito, ang Nar, normal. Yan ang
Wow,
sinasabi
so
ko
much
dyan.
damage.
No, ang napakagandang micro moves naman nun.
And that's actually a pretty smart trade in from Soru. He didn't went in too deep onto KR. He just dodged the tentacles, forced KR uses her ultimate, and then just backed off. Smart decision from him, and now KR is very low in HP. And look at this.
Half. Oh.
Yeah, Born is already in this top lane. He is
Yan
not
na, nakaabang
spotted.
na, oh.
Yeah,
Pero
kasi may
uy,
ping
hindi
board
siya
dito
kita.
as well as, Born being on that side. Pasok ko siya.
Ito na!
Ultimate.
Nakagata
Oh my
mga
God!
kaibigan! Ito na! Hope for KR! Oy! Nakapag-lifesteal pa si Hope for
Oh, no!
KR mga kaibigan!
What?
Nabuhay pa! Pero ito! Hindi na natin gugugaw sila pero may nagtitipi
Nice!
dito! Nagtitipi
Look,
dito sila!
oh, damage!
Napatayan niya bigla si Queen mga kaibigan!
Slow!
Pero na-slow
Just
dito
like
si Nar!
Banding.
Suro lang! Palo ka boy!
Oh no!
Naku! Napakagandang responde mula sa Lux mga kaibigan!
Yeah, but that all happened because of Hope for KR's good micro.
Oh,
The
oh.
tentacle smash actually hit Soru Love, and that
Sa Queen!
yeah that
Oh,
gave him enough HP to tank the Queen, to force her to keep going into the turret, and then ang ganda na lang ng respond ng teammates niya with the Rek'Sai, with the
Oo.
Lux, and got themselves a 2
2 for 1.
So nicely done there by Legacy.
Napakagandang lifesteal mula kay Hope for KR.
Yes. Alright, so ano FB ni Manjin for research lang po.
Makikita nyo mamaya.
Maybe next time.
Makikita nyo mamaya dyan sa
Yeah.
ating... Or, bahala kayo, Google nyo na lang.
Yeah.
Okay. Nag-google yan mga kaibigan, nag-google.
Alright, so looking into it.
Wala bang
terms of
masyadong
the-
action sa baba, no? Tamang...
Yeah, it's all about the farm kasi even if Samus actually goes in, Alistar can bypass the Unbreakable. So, pwede niyang i-cancel out yung gustong damage output na ibigay ni Sadis kay Core. So, we'll just have to watch this. It looks like they're gonna back off for some reason. Oh yeah, okay. So may pera na sila to
Ito na.
get more items.
Nar up,
Probably
nar up.
Berserker Greaves to be able to get more speed for that Vayne. But we'll see. Oh, she's actually gonna stay in lane. Okay.
Oo,
That's also smart.
walang bakbak yan.
Yeah.
Paunahan mamatay yan.
This is actually just gonna allow Core to last hit, push the wave into the opponent's side, reset it, go back to base, get items, and then just keep farming.
Correcto.
Yeah, because right now, the item spike for Sadis is here. Essence Reaper does outscale that rapid fire cannon
Rapid
by a
fire.
little
Ayan
bit.
na. Ang bago. Uy!
Whoa,
Namatay
camera
dito.
here, a little bit choppy though, but there you go.
Mukhang ano no, favorite ni Enborn tong top. Ayaw niyang lumakas. Kumbaga gusto niya magka-item agad yung Nar. Pero ito, wait. Kalmahan mo lang mga kaibigan.
Oh,
Ito na.
nice knock-up.
Nice knock-up by Zensus. Pero tank top Taiga. Pero ito na. Normal. Oh, chill lang. Yan lang. Kanina pa nila ginagawa yun.
Exactly.
Oh.
But looking into it again, reason why, Illaoi is just dying in the top lane is rinse and repeat ang ginagawa dito ng Mad Bros. Alam nila na kahit man nagkaroon ng outplay sa top lane na yun for Super KR, pag na-bully out niya ng onte si Nar, he overextends, napakabilis
Oo.
ng gank potential ni Born. Just keep going into the top lane, but he
Hindi nga
wants to go
natin
in for Luke
nakita.
KR, but, mayroon silang wards. Have to be
Oo.
careful about that.
Ito na naman si Bull, nag-aala Robin Padilla na naman to. Ma-action din yung queen na yan eh. Kahit sabihin mong ano lang yan, talon-talon lang yan. Action star din yan.
Man, syempre, pag may tumbling sa,
Oo.
sa special effects mo, action star ka
Action
na.
star ka kagad. Pero may score ng Ilawi ngayon, 0-3. Nandahil yan sa mga gank ni Enborn.
Exactly.
Kanina ka pa Enborn ha. Isiya mo lang, pare koy.
And you have to note the damage output for Mad Bros will actually keep spiking as this game progresses because they went in for this 3 carry type of composition. Yes, they have to win. Medyo, ano siya,
Uy,
okay.
teka lang. Kalmahan mo, pero ito na.
Ito na.
Ito na, inatake na mga kaibigan. Si Sadis mga kaibigan.
Warrior.
Na-exhaust ang dalawang ADR, pero ito si Enborn. Action star, pumapasok
Yung
dito.
teleport.
No, pulado dito si Enborn mga kaibigan.
Nice damage.
Kaso namatay dito. Pero ngayon na, tumitipi na si Ilaway. Napakandang response.
Oh.
Nandito na lahat sa baba mga kaibigan. Nagkakanormala na. Rek'Sai, binabato ng tubig mga kaibigan. Mababato ng tubig. Oh, isiya mo yan, pare koy.
Black Asian guy, a little bit too late to the party there.
Medyo late on 1-for-1 trade ng ADR. Medyo maganda tong bakbakan na to.
Yeah, both ADRs didn't get any kills though.
Medyo tabla ang ang pera. 26k all at 4 all.
Yes. Minutes into the game. But this might actually opt for Legacy to set up aggressive mission into this dragon area just because of how stronger their composition is in bullying out to get that vision control.
Oh, 17 minutes into the game, wala pa rin nagdi-DR, no?
Yes.
Playing safe ang mga people. Nar, nahuli.
Attack on.
Oo.
That's a spirit there. Will connect. But it'll just put a little bit of damage into Soru Love's HP. Is going for that Black Cleaver build. So he wants to shred the HP of that Illaoi as fast as possible.
Correct.
Illaoi though, same build lang din, Black Cleaver.
Oo.
But may Ninja Tabi dito,
Yung,
si Soru.
yung Nar din ata going for Black Cleaver no?
Yes.
So pareha sila ng item. Kaso nalugi lang sa boots si Illaoi dahil sa mga gank to ni Endpoint.
Alright, you have to note here, medyo aggressive na si Xerxes.
Ito magandang laban eh.
Endpoint.
Ayan na oh.
Ultimate.
Ayan na ultimate na mga kaibigan. Rek'Sai pumapasok. Binabatuan na ng tubig mga kaibigan. Lucian naman normal. Ayan na, nice one. Namatay
kill
dito
there.
si Zexus mga kaibigan.
That might opt them to follow up for the dragon, so we'll see what happens kung
Tingnan
sino
natin.
gagawin to.
Hindi, pwede. Kaso nag-TP out eh. Ay, hindi.
But
Kita
then
siya
siya
sa
si
wall.
Lux though, so
Oo.
they can't. Or they might go in for Encore.
Ito
Encore
na.
doesn't have
Encore,
flash
mag-isa ka
or
lang,
heal.
kuya mo! Ayan na! Adopted
Oh, no,
back
nice.
ng Tiger! Ito na ang Lux,
No,
mga kaibigan!
Lux.
Normal, isang hit ka na lang! Paktaylo ka kay Lucian!
Oh,
Ito na,
nice
nasta ni Lux,
timing.
mga kaibigan! Dark Finding! Pero,
Nice.
napakagandang responde. Pwede na sila mag-DR dito. Bukod sa Oh, hindi! May nagtitipi sa mid! Ay, hindi!
Defend lang.
Oh, defend lang, defend lang.
Chill lang, chill lang.
Pwede sila mag-push, pwede rin sila mag-DR, pero mukhang di na nila gagawin kasi umalis na yung Rek'Sai.
Yes, exactly.
Kalmahan lang.
So we'll see
Siyam.
right now as it looks like Legacy with that immediate 2-for-0 trade in that bottom lane will transition into that dragon side. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Wala silang kailangan worry about from the side of Mad.
Ayan na, nakuha nila yung DR.
On the ropes. Looking into it, 20 minutes into the game. Almost a 1,000 gold lead for Legacy, but they are shutting down the vein and giving more resources into this Lucian. It's alright for them to just feed this Illaoi. Hayaan mo na lang siyang mamatay or malugi sa top lane and just go in for the champions who needs or who benefits most from these itemization from the early itemization, and that is the Lucian. For the mid lane, hindi na kailangan ni Luke KR kasi he's just going in
Oo.
as follow-up. He doesn't need to be aggressive. And kahit maging aggressive siya, nandun palagi si Keo Cook and he can actually outplay Black Asian guy right now. So medyo
Ewan ko, Legacy eh.
nagiging one-sided na
Oo.
to into the side of Legacy.
Onti-onti.
Mad Bros, yeah. Mad Bros
Onti-onti.
right now need to set themselves up for a team fight because they will shine on that team fight.
Oh.
Sorry, I haven't seen any good or any last breaths coming out of Black Asian.
Wala
yet.
pa,
Kasi
wala
wala
pa.
pa sila, wala pang setup eh. So we'll have to see when Mad Bros decides to group up if they're gonna go in for that aggressive,
Hindi,
setup.
medyo ano pa tong Mad Bros eh. Baba muna tayo. Clear muna natin yung baba bago tayo. Feeling ko kasi di naman di sila umaalis dyan, Ayaw nilang ipabasag yan. So, tatapatan nila yung River Beaver ng Lucian na yan. Pero ito na, tackle attack mga kaibigan! Tackle attack mula sa baka mga kaibigan! Chill lang. Easy dog. Kala ko i-go-go eh.
Alright, no worries about that. But looks like Keo Cook here in the top lane will position himself to gank the Nard. The Nard may aggressive dito. See!
Hoy!
Soru
Ito na!
get
Binato na ng tubig mga kaibigan! Nang babato ng tubig mga kaibigan! Ito na!
Nice,
Binato
double
na!
slow.
Napakaganda.
Here comes
Pero
Bondo.
ito na yung action star. Ito sinasabi ko sa'yo, yung napakagandang
Soru
response
can
ni
engage.
Endpoint. Pero hindi, tinan mo dun. Hoy, muntik na. Pag na-nar up, kala natin i-go-go. Chill lang, chill lang. Na-vessel kasi siya eh.
Yes, exactly.
Oo.
But looking into it, sa build ni Luke KR, I just noticed a Magi Soul Stealer. Talagang he's opting to go in for the assist and the kills and not,
Oo.
dying talaga.
Correct.
But looking into the bottom lane though, Xerxes is super low in HP here. He's already down to half. And they will be forced to back off. They do have that home guard buff now because we are 22 minutes into the game. But is that enough time for them to get back and, defend their bot tier 1? Because that Potter one's gonna go down fast with the Lucian. He's putting up so much damage. Look at that. Double hit.
grabe.
Sobrang baba na ng Potter 1 and it
Uy.
will go down.
River Fever plus Static Shift.
Yeah, that
Yung
is
Lucian. Laban
the
sa bot.
wave clear push build for Lucian. But actually, you know, it's still good as a team fight item because of the static shiv giving you that instant 100 magic damage burst. And then, ano pa, mag-crit
burst.
pa siya, mag-skill ka pa, caster ADRs.
Pero,
that's the name of the game talaga.
Isihan muna natin dito, paring Azuray, kasi hindi pa nagagawa ng Mad Bros yung kanilang ano talaga ma-action na combo
Exactly, yeah.
Yung
We just have to wait talaga.
knock up, SS ni Aso. Push yan. Tingnan natin kung magagawa nila.
Yes. I think ang ginagawa dito ng Mad Bros is that hindi naman talaga sila super behind. They're still, you know, getting the items that they need, not giving out too much advantages for the opponent. Granted though na parang 40 CS behind na si Encore here
Si
in
Encore.
that bottom lane. But again, they're slowly but steadily getting their farm, and if only they can catch off their opponents off guard, set up again for that Yasuo last breath, it might be enough for Mad Bros to get back into this game, take that momentum lead. But as of now, Legacy controlling league ready. One dragon, one turret into their hands.
Lamang sila sa Tori dito.
Yes, and
Pero hindi, kaya pa yan. Para sa akin, kaya pa yan.
we'll see though what
Dahil may
happens.
may combo yan Di pa nila nagagawa. Pero pause muna tayo dito.
Alright, so
Kalmahan lang natin.
habang naghihintay tayo ngayon, let's take a
Check
short
natin
break
ano.
and check the chat.
Si
Twitch chat.
si Nico Boy. Binabati ko si Nico Boy. Pabati ako, paranormal expert.
Parang
Nambabato ng tubig, mga kaibigan. Totoo naman talaga Tubig naman talaga yung binabato ni Rek'Sai kanina, di ba? Ano ba magagawa natin dyan? Hindi na natin kasalanan yun.
Yes.
Yun naman yun yung nakita na ano pa ba ang binabato ni Rek'Sai. Ano yan waterbender yan.
Yeah.
Biruin mo yun.
You have to
Binabato
note
naman
na-
talaga yun.
You have to note though na yun yung full party Rek'Sai kasi.
Oo, full party Rek'Sai yan.
Pero pag siya, yung default Rek'Sai is more of like the void laser.
Oo, Void Laser. Pero ngayon, tupik muna, for fun lang.
Yeah.
Isihan mo yan.
Speaking of voids though, yan, lumabas na rin. Bagong expansion na, oh wow!
Uy!
Final Spark connecting!
Oo,
Gonna
tumama.
hurt.
Biruin mo yun. Pero ito, humahap in ang Nar, mga kaibigan. Nino-normal siya ng mga tentacles. Pero hindi, magpapaslow na lang siya dito. Kaso mukhang hahabol dito. Chill lang. Easy go. Boomerang mo
But
yan.
here comes the gang coming in from Endborn.
Pero ito,
They don't have vision.
Oo nga, papasok si Enborn. Ito na naman.
Nice.
Oops.
Oops, si Daisy.
Naku, ayan yung sinasabi ko yung mga ganyang pangyayari. Yung biglang magpo-post, tapos syempre, pagdating sa ganyan, aalamin mo na yung next move mo
Yeah. Okay
Oo.
to. Nung pagka-post natin, talagang nagpakita yung Thunderlords decay ni Endborn.
Oo nga
Tumatama din sa ulo ng ilaw eh.
Pero grabe to si Enborn, nandun agad. Dahil yan sa SS niya
Exactly.
Parang tuwing hinaharas ni, Ilawi yung Nar, nandun agad si Enborn para rumesback.
Ito yung gusto ko kasi dati ang pangalan ng Ultimate ni Queen Tag Team.
Tag team.
Tapos ginawa nilang behind enemy lines. Parang,
Oy.
ang ganda pakinggan kasi
Oo.
talaga yun ang ginagawa ni Queen dahil sa movement speed niya.
Oo.
Nagbe-behind enemy lines. Siya yung infiltrator, siya
Oo.
yung espiya.
Oo, kumbaga
Meron naman
mauna ka, susunod ako sa iyo. Behind enemy. Oo, sa likod ako. Yan parang ginawa niya kanina. Isihan mo yan, pare ko.
Yeah, dude.
Oo.
Alright, so looking into it, right now there is a commanding lead here for Legacy. Again, Mad Bros are still in a bad position here, but Endborn might, prioritize a battle.
Oh, pero
they
ito,
can cut out
yung
the
Rek'Sai,
Rek'Sai
mga
battle.
kaibigan, ito na, magpapato na ng tubig. Uy! Napakagandang
Nice.
backup ng Rek'Sai. Hindi
The
natin
Fury.
napansin yun.
Oh, the Fury of the Xerxai
Hindi ko napansin yun.
proving dominant in that trade. Medyo naging aggressive na si Endborn. He didn't have the...
Oh, ito na.
Oh,
Ito
no!
na, mga kaibigan, si
Nice
Fade, si
splash.
Endor. Uy, pero,
Nice!
easy lang.
Oh,
Pero
si-
Yasuo
bakit
gumugaw
knock-out?
dito. Oops. Kalmahan mo lang, kalmahan.
I think papasukin dapat yun ni Sadist if only walang third stack si
Oo.
Black Asian guy na kaya Steel Tempest.
Oo, kasi pag tinamaan siya nun, alam
Knock-up ka.
Tapos nandun pa yung Alistar
Exactly.
Nakita siya.
Yes. Alright, so looking into it, 12 minutes in, or rather, 12
25.
seconds na lang. Lalabas na ang Dragon.
Dragon. At 25 minutes into the game, ang score po natin ay 8-4.
Yes. Alright, so
Lamang
ang
ang Legacy.
Strong Gutong. Batiin mo po ako. Hello, dude.
Hello, dude. Strong Gutong.
Yes, we also have, Cats09, pabate, B-Day ko bukas,
Oh.
December 9.
Happy birthday,
Happy
Cats09.
birthday. Magpapa-cheeseburger ka ba? Or spaghetti? Either way, it's okay.
Oo. Pero ito, mukhang magkaka-actionan.
This is the
Magkaka-actionan
clash
sa
we've been
DRP.
waiting for.
Ayan na, mga
Ito
kaibigan.
yung hinahanap na setup nila.
Oo, nandito na. Ayan na, nagkaka-wardsan na, mga kaibigan. Isihan mo yan. Ito na, lumalabas na ang dragon.
Oh,
Pero ito,
1v1.
nakapag-1-on-1
Nice
dito.
damage by
Si
Born.
Satis, mamaya si Edward. Nako, fever yan, Maricoy. Pero
Stun!
ito na, napakagandang concept. Mga kaibigan, isa pa, dalawa. Nice one mula kay Edcore. Napalay
Pinapalog
dito
nila.
ang ADR ng Legacy. Pero ito, may nagtitipi. Nagtitipi
Oh, no,
dito si
four!
Nar. Tingnan natin kung may nar up siya. Pero hindi.
Shield.
Ito na, mga kaibigan, Rek'Sai naman normal. Ito na. Oops. Nako. Nako. Nabaliktad pa.
Tentacle smash.
Napakagandang tentacle smash mula kay Hopper KR. At ang score natin 2-4-1 or 1-4-1? 3.
Oh, light binding!
Wait, dive binding! Ito na, normal lang Nar, mga kaibigan. Humahabol. Kaya nila hayabulin to. Pero ang Nar, na-slow sila, mga kaibigan. Oops.
That's right.
Uy, isa lang ang namatay sa ano.
So that was...
Oh! Laser,
connect.
baby! Biruin mo yun.
Natanda ko yan, yung... Alam mo yung video sa YouTube, yung I'm a fire in my laser.
Oo, ay, hindi ko
Ay, sige pa kasi mamaya.
Pero-
yun yung naramdaman ko dun sa lakas na to eh.
Laser gun! Yun ang naalala ko eh. Pang...
Alright. So...
Akala siguro ni... Ano doon? Wait. Tapos na. Kasi hindi niya na malayo, may laser gun pala.
You have to note that naka 40% production dito, or almost 40% na ang food production nito KR. So that
Oo.
final score is just gonna come out faster and faster. Alright, so breaking down that clash, Mad Bros had the correct juggling aggro there. Kasi ang ginawa nila una, Enborn going against
Enborn.
Sadis,
Oo.
tapos medyo na outrate na si Sadis sa
Sadis.
Enborn, but then lumabas bigla si Enborn to get the kill. Ang problem ko na lang doon na nakita ko coming in from Mad Bros was that Black Asian guy opted to only ultimate the Braum.
Oo, Brom lang yung na ano niya eh.
And I think he could have actually positioned it that he could have gotten a 3-man knockup, and then when Nar actually teleported into that fight, mini Nar form shot. He didn't have his Mega Nar
Wala
form
siyang
up,
oo.
so wala siyang CC to provide for his team, and that just allowed Legacy to be able to trade effectively against Mad Bros, and then Legacy having the Lux, having that CDR.
Laser gun.
Yeah,
Oo.
exactly. Ang bilis mag-CD ng laser
Laser gun.
immediate pick off onto
Oo.
Enborn. And, well, yun na lang yung nangyari doon. I think if Mad Bros can just set up their team fight correctly,
Oo.
they can outtrade. But Legacy have done super
Ganda
well. Kahit
ng
na
ano.
namatay doon si Sadis.
Si Ilawi yun eh. Si Ilawi yung nag-ano eh. Nagko-control ng crowd eh.
Exactly. Kasi
Oo.
iwasan mo talaga yung tentacles. Especially
Oo.
pag nag-leap of faith siya. And then she gets
Oo.
5 tentacles
Pero ito
at
na ang
once.
Nar, magkaka-Nar
Sobrang
up.
good.
Pero teka lang, mukhang gagangkin nila dito. Ito na, Nargata mga kaibigan. Pero Rek'Sai ginugo. Ito na ang Lux mga kaibigan. May stun siya dito mga. Oh, pero napakagandang Nar. Laser gun, papalag na lang ata ang Nar. Pero hindi,
So much
tatakbo siya.
damage though.
Alam niya nga atang mamamatay, pero napakagandang
Ah.
stun. Pero chill bill lang.
Using singularity. Nice connect.
Ganda ng ano. Pero hindi, titrade ata nila yung top para sa mid, no?
Yes.
Akala ko kanina. Uy, teka lang. Ito na, si Tank Top. Oops, chill lang.
I like this from Mad Bros. Alam nila na 3 persons from Legacy are
Oo.
forcing that top. Immediately put the strongest ADs that they have and then just keep pushing. Got themselves
Oo.
the mid tier 1 as well as that mid in tier 2. But it looks like gusto mag-clash
Nagugo nila yung baba at alam nilang wala yun yung iba nilang kasama. Ito na mga kaibigan, hindi ko
Nice
mamamalikan.
business!
Pero napakaganda
Nice
mga
pressure.
tentacles. Oh my God, tentacles! Yung tentacles, boy! Double kill!
There's the knockup.
Uy, ayan na yung knock-up!
Yasuo.
Kaso, wala. Na tentacle gaming sila doon, pare.
Mad Bros in a bad position there. They wanted to go in. Dapat, alam ko
Oo.
nakita na ni Born dun yung teleport.
Nakita na
Ilawi,
nila, oo. Hindi, pupusya na sila, magro-rotate sila sa bot kasi di ba nabasag nila yung ano,
Yes.
yung mid. Kaso, wala, napakagandang counter go niya ni Ilawi eh.
No, but you have to note then that the MVP I think for that clash, other than being in terms of damage was Hope for KR, was also football and
Oo, si Tank Top Taiga.
ang ganda ng sinet niya na Glacial Fissure.
Ang
He
ganda.
actually slowed and knocked up almost all of the members of, or I think all of the members of Mad Bros
Oh.
in that side, and that just allowed Ilawi to set up
Tentacles,
that leap of
sumampas.
faith. Labas lahat ng tentacles, sampalin ka sa mukha, alam na.
Oo, kahit sabi mabagal yun umampas, pero pag na-stun ka nun, automatic mahahampas ka. Napakagandang setup mula kay Tank Top Taiga, which is si Brom. Yun.
Yes, exactly.
So lamang na dito ang Legacy.
Yes, and with that two following clash
Clash.
talaga,
Dalawang clash.
commanding lead of 7,000 gold, they can now start to starve out Mad Bros. Wala nang outer turrets on Mad Bros, and Mad Bros need to keep supplementing their jungle with vision unless they would allow Legacy to keep just manhandling them in their jungle. So they're trying to do right now, supplementing wards in their jungle, but now Legacy are threatening to be able to get this Baron for free, or just, you know, catch some of the members of Mad Bros off guard, get either the Baron or get themselves an inhibitor for free.
Free.
Kasi medyo ano na eh.
Chill lang muna.
Yeah.
Medyo ano na, parang Asurai.
Medyo malakas na yung hold na meron ang Legacy sa game na to. But, looking into the itemizations, Infinity Edge and Static Shiv for that
Yasuo, makati yan.
Kahit man 0-2-1 siya, that Infinity Edge and Static Shift is one of the components that Yasuo can use to get him back into the game. Plus, yung base ng Mad Bros is the best way to set up all the knockups that you have, and then Yasuo will just follow with that last breath. And the Vayne has 3 items already in her pocket: Blade of the Ruin King, Rapid Fire Cannon, and Phantom Dancer.
Wag niyo i-count out dito ang Mad Bros kasi Yasuo yan, tinan mo, isang item na lang, kompleto niya na yung Trinity Force niya.
Yes, but you have to note then that the Vayne's itemizations is more for the 1v1 duels. That reworked Phantom Dancer does reduce the damage taken from attacks by 12%, and then Rapid Fire Cannon alongside yung kanyang final hour with the tumble in, immediate long range damage, tapos slow ng Blade of the Ruin King. So
may silver bolts pa.
Yeah, what Mad Bros can actually do here is to bait in the team of Legacy. Tapos kung meron silang, for example, Illaoi pushing in another lane, get that Vayne to go for an aggressive take. Kasi you have, if you haven't seen, some, you know, more experienced Vayne players will just do that, the basic final arc tumble combo, tapos hindi sila makikita na papasok sila dun sa kalaban, and then get that condemn and follow up with the damage. And narinig mo ba yung background music natin?
Oo nga eh.
Jaws tayo dahil nakatutok tayo sa Rek'Sai dito.
Pero ako kaya pa to. Kahit may item sila tas hindi sila ganun kapugo. Pero kahit sabi mong 15 yan, tinan mo, ang Vayne lang naman ang Queen 3-5, may item sila. So, tingnan natin kung matuturn around dito ng ng Legacy dahil sa combo. Di pa nila talaga nagagawa eh.
Yun nga din kasi, yun na rin nga yung isasabi mo, hindi pa na nagagawang combo nila, and this will allow them to have a higher chance of success because of that smaller entrance for Legacy to go in.
Pero, ayan na, ito na naman. Hindi, pero kung makunat na yan masyado, yung Team Legacy na yan, kahit sabi mong magawa natin yung combo, kung magkamali halimbawa ang Mad Bros ng combo nila, kunyari dalawa lang makuha nila, kasi hindi pa yung, ang makuha lang nila, kunyari yung yung Brom, o yung Rek'Sai, lugi sila dito. Feeling ko kailangan nila mahuli is yung main damage output.
Exactly.
Kahit sabi mong Lux or Lucian, ma-knock up nyo, nyo kagad, patayin nyo, tapos kahit makukunat yung tatlong natira, banatan nyo kasi may damage. Pero mababurn natin siya, pero nice heal. Nice heal mula sa baka, mga kaibigan. Grabe, that damage mula
Luden's
sa
Echo, Abaddon's Deathcap, Morellonomicon, and Max Stacks Magi Soul Stealer.
Ano pag nag-stacks pa
Meron
yan?
pa siyang AP Potion. My God, the damage is real.
Ito na, going for Baron na sila dito. Kailangan mahuli nila ang Lux dito.
Exactly.
At Lucian.
Looks like nasa bottom lane si Edward. No kind of damage. Possibly outmaneuver Legacy right now.
Ako, ito na. Tinulak na, mga kaibigan. Yasuo. Mag-last bet ata siya. Pero hindi masyado. Facial Fissure, mga kaibigan. Laser din naman. Nakagada ng pop. Pero chill bill. Nako. Isa lang ang napatay dito. At hinahabol mga kaibigan si Enborn. Nagpabilis si Enborn, mga kaibigan.
No flash from here though.
Wala rin siya. Kahit mahabol niya, hindi niya W magagawa niya.
So what is happening though, we do see right now the Soru as well as
nag-TP yung Nar sa baba.
This bottom lane. So it might be
Tower,
Actually, naglakad lang siya sa bottom.
naglakad lang ba siya?
So it's gonna be a base race.
Okay.
If these
Base
guys
race.
don't, recall back into the lane.
Hindi nila kaya i-base race, pre.
Correct. Oh, so it's gonna be a free inhibitor here for Legacy. So what probably
nangyari
happened here
doon?
for Mad Bros is that
Kulang.
kulang talaga sila doon. They opted for the Vayne to go for that split push, but Vayne didn't have actually anyone to go for the 1v1.
Oy! Ang bilis ng pangyayari, pare. Uy! Pagkasta, laser, paktay. At eto, si Airborne, mga kaibigan, ang action star natin. Oh! Grabe ang lakas na yan. Ito na, mga kaibigan. Si Nar, naka-Nar up.
Looks
At
like
mukhang
Legacy wants to finish
mukhang
off.
tatapusin na to ng Legacy. Pero ito, nanakap sila. Napakandang SS mula sa Nar, mga kaibigan. Pero ito, nag-SS na rin ang ilawin, mga kaibigan. Yung mga tentacles, mga kaibigan. Pero halos walang natamaan. Pero ito na, yung Alistar. Pumopronta yung Alistar. Pero yan na naman yung laser, mga kaibigan. Oh, nadidepend pa to ng Mad Bros. Nadidepend pa nila, hindi pa tapos.
Even if they
May
defended
sustain
that,
pa.
2 inhibitors down already. What can Mad Bros do? Black Nation guy here with the Hail
Oh, ito na. Humahabol si Black Nation, guys.
He was hoping to get that knockout. Could have gone for last breath there. Yun na nga talaga siguro magiging last breath nila kasi wala na sila magagawa dito. Dahil opened up na ang base ng Mad Bros. The only lane that is still protected by a turret and an inhibitor is that bottom lane. So it looks like Mad Bros are again gonna go in for a Hail Mary pass. Oh, Save Sir might get
Pero ito
caught
na,
out.
naghahabulan na, mga kaibigan. Black Asian guys. Uy! Nice flash! By Sadis, mga kaibigan. Pero kumakait siya dito. Oh, ito na. Oops, buti na lang hindi ka na-stun, kuya. Pero ito na, Sadis naman normal. Umaprat. Pero may nagkakabakbakan dito sa sa gitna, mga kaibigan. Nagkakabakbakan. Pero ito na, mukhang mamamatay dito si Hopper KR. Pero ito si Black Asian guy. Mag-isa ka lang nagpahiwalay na clash. Pero napakagandang last breath. Pero sayang, halos wala ding damage.
Oh, they're gonna
Pero ito na, retrace nila yung DR. Oh, makuha kaya nila to. Nakuha nila yung DR, mga kaibigan. Map Bros going for the DR. Pero ito na, nag-SS si Lucian, mga kaibigan. Pero ito, nahuli si Enborn, mga kaibigan, ng Lux. Mga kaibigan, Nar, tumatakbo ang Nar. May Nargada ka, mga kaibigan. Tumakbo ka na, Nar. Ito na si Tang Tap Taiga. Pero ito na, oh, na-slow! Na-super slow, mga kaibigan. Let's take it slow, so slow. Back tayo, Kaboy. Normally mo yan. Napakagandang habol.
Baron's still up though, but it looks like Legacy wants to finish this off going in through the third game. Meron pa tayong third game ngayon.
May
Mad Bros
third game.
are
Hindi, tingnan
gonna
natin. Ito yung
scratch
base.
their heads.
Isa pang normal. Oh, merong flashing
Go!
ka. Action star ka pala. Ace!
Nice.
Napakagandang ace.
Alright. Is that?
Oh well, all one.
It's over now for Mad Bros.
All
Second
one.
game pa lang, guys. Mad Bros did win game 1, so it's going to be
It's a
1 for
GG,
1.
Bobby.
We're gonna go into the third game right after a short break, but wow, Legacy just winning it straight out. Walang nagawa ang Mad Bros.
Medyo maganda yung laban na yun. Ang para sa akin lang, hindi nagawa ng Mad Bros ang kanilang gustong mangyari.
Yes.
Medyo sila ang nababox out. Kanina kasi sinabi ko sila yung mga babox out, di ba? Pero wala eh.
Yeah, and never, wait lang, I'm just gonna go into the graph and check the damage. Look at that.
Uy, yung luck.